channel where we teach you math. Smash those like and subscribe buttons and let's get started. So today we're going to learn how to add decimals. And here's our questions.
I have a question. How do you add decimals?
Yeah, so let's do an example, okay? So let's say it's 21.2 plus 9.8, okay? So, first thing to remember is that you always line up your decimals, okay? So if this thing was over here, it wouldn't make sense, okay? So always line up your decimals and then let's solve for this.
All the other ones are already lined up, right?
Yeah, these all are lined up. So 0 and add your 1 over here. That's 11. Add your 1 over here. And our answer is 31.
And how do you call them? What do you call them? 23.5?
No, you actually call them 23 and 5/10. Okay? But if you want to call it 23.5, it's alright, okay? Okay, now let's bring all of these to our workspace. Okay? Bring it to our workspace. And let's solve with our green pen. So let's start with these, okay? These are very simple and they're already lined up for you, okay?
Alright.
Okay, 0 plus 9 is?
9.
8 plus 5 is?
13.
So put our 3 here. Add our decimal. Add our 1 over here. 4 plus 3 plus 1 is?
7.
No. 4 plus 3 is 7 and then plus 1 is 8, okay?
Oh, okay.
5 plus 2 is?
7.
Which one? Our answer is 78.9. Let's copy this. And put it right here. This good, right? Okay, let's move on to the next one. 0 plus 1 is?
1.
3 plus 1 is?
All of them are 1s. 4.
5 plus 1 is?
6.
Add our decimal. 7 and 9, right? Okay, let's put this on. Let's paste it right here. Okay? Let's solve for the next one. 0 plus 3 is?
3.
3. 9 plus 8 is?
16.
No, it's 17, okay?
Okay. Oh yeah, 8 plus 8 is 16.
Yeah, and let's add our decimal. Always keep that in mind. 5 plus 2 is?
8.
5 plus 2 is not 8. 5 plus 2 is 7, and then plus 1 is 8.
I was saying that.
Oh, okay. 3 plus 1 is 4, right? Okay, now let's add all of this. Oh, there's that. Right. Okay, now let's move on to this one. What is 2 plus 0?
2. 6 and 10.
And 10, right? So our answer will be?
106.2.
Let's copy it and paste it. 75. Sorry. And then what's 5 plus 2?
7.
What's 9 plus 6? 15. 6 plus 4?
11.
Okay. 7 plus 4 plus 1?
12.
Our answer is?
That's big.
It's not that big, right? Let's take this one. Okay, now next one. 6 plus 3 is?
9.
Wait, let me do that. 9. And 5 plus 2 is?
7.
7. And then 4 plus 1 is?
5.
Our answer is?
5.79.
That is correct.
5 and 79 tenths?
No, that's not how you say it. 5 and 79 hundredths. Okay?
Okay.
You get it?
Yeah.
And we're done. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye. Smash those like and subscribe buttons.